how do electricity and magnetism induce each other? What kind of books will you write? We'll talk about electricity and magnetism. So there is something called the electromagnetic tensor, which I will not talk about. Okay, so how do but it comes from that, and it comes from special relativity. Special relativity. So if you look at a static charge, let's say I have an object which is charged and it is static. It's not moving anywhere. It's standing in front of me. So what will I perceive? I will perceive its electric field. But what if the static charge starts moving? Then that movement will produce a magnetic field. Why is that? Because moving charges. So that's that's how it affects the electromagnetic tensor. Um, it depends on the reference frame that you are in. If you are in the same reference frame, then you will only perceive the electric field. But if you are in different reference frame, then you will perceive an electric as well as a magnetic field. So if you have a wire in front of you and an electric current is flowing through it, which is electrons are flowing through it, then the movement of the charge is going to create a magnetic field. Because if electrons are going in that way, it means positive charges are flowing in this direction. Essentially, you can look at it like that. So it all comes from relativity, special relativity. And the movement of charges in special relativity, it is what induces the electric and magnetic fields, and it's all part of the electromagnetic tensor. So that's kind of how it works. You can also talk about Faraday's law and all that, but that is a more basic answer. The answer lies in special relativity. If you want to genuinely understand how it happens, you've got to study special relativity with electromagnetism in the context of electromagnetism, or you have to study electromagnetics in the context of special relativity. So you can study the book by who's the guy? I have it somewhere here. There's a book here, but maybe if you want, I can look it up and I can tell you. Yeah.